In previous video we have talked about this article list, and there is some mixin, like login required mixin. It will prevent the user, when a user is not logged in, it will prevent to access some kind of data. Okay, we have this article here as well. Now I want to have something like login template. Okay, I want to have login template free, and this the first page I just want to visit it, and let's see, many login templates are here, a lot. I want to use every one of them as very nice. I want to use this one. Okay, so when I press the download button, so here is very great page. So here are two buttons, one is download, the other is preview. When I download, so here it needs an email and it will send us, or it will authorize us freely. It doesn't need anything else. Okay, let me. Okay, I have downloaded this here in the download folder. So I have this zip file and I want to unzip it. So there is something like two files. One is, there are many files, like one is in index.html, so other files are for static. I want to copy and paste these files, and here in the Django or in the main page, so I want to have a directory called, well, account. I will paste it here, all the things, and this is index.html. So I want to have this index and the templates. Okay, in the templates we have this registration. So instead of this login, I delete this because it was a dummy page or something which was not great, and I want to rename this as login.html. So I think everything is nice here. So we had this home.html, login.html, everything. Let me, well, I want to refresh this, and I refresh this. Okay, I log out from here. Let's see the exact login page here. Okay, well, it has red, but the style is not here. Let me check the style. Well, the template is here, and the template we had something like registration and login, and the login we had here like to load the static. I want to load the static, and we had many things here. We have this vendor, okay, if you see it here, I have everything here, like from account, read from account, and vendor, and all those things. Now I do the same thing for, well, JavaScript part. In the JavaScript part, I also do the same thing, like static account and read from there. Okay, there is something like well, nothing else is left. Let me refresh this part. Okay, when I refresh, I see very great part, like email, password. Now instead of this email, I want to have the username. Okay, username, and password is password, and everything. When I refresh this, yes, username and password, but it does not work. You know why? Because we do not have anything from the form here. Now in form, I want to have this method. Firstly, the method is post, and after that I want to have the csrf token, and here instead of this input, I want to have like form dot username, and instead of this input I want to have form dot password. When I save this and I refresh this, yeah, something has changed here. Can you see the username and password is not on at its place? It is because there is some, well, a class like input 100. We do not have that input 100 here. So in the next video we will talk about widget tweaks. Okay, Django widget tweaks, so that will solve this problem. Now let me log in. Yes, I can see this, it is redirected to this page. So in the next video we will talk about widget tweaks and some other thing like errors and all that. In this video I think it's enough, and we'll talk in the next video.